Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the petcock on a 1997 Honda XR650L. It'll be a very similar procedure for other Hondas. So let's go ahead and get started. So one of the first things you're going to need to do is you need to empty the gas tank. So to do that, you really can just take this line here, if there even is any gas left in there, and I'm just going to detach it from the carb there and then put it in a gas can so I can put it back in the end, because this is still good gas and I don't want to reuse. So go ahead and loosen off on this back end here so you can kind of aim it into a gas tank so you can save that gas for later. So the next thing you'll do, I just have an adjustable wrench here. I'm just going to go onto this bolt and I'm going to loosen it off of the tank right there. So you can see with the petcock off, it's obviously going to be all grimed up. Wouldn't be a bad idea to take some carb cleaner and clean that off, just so you know that your new petcock going on actually stays on and has a tight seal. You can see I figured out why mine was leaking. The seal wasn't even properly set, so this might actually still be good. I don't feel like using it though. I already bought the new one, and it wasn't that expensive, and the new one has filters on it, so I'm just going to put the new one on. And I'll go ahead and include links in my description on the petcock that I use, and I'll update you on letting you know that it actually worked properly. So go ahead and clean off that threading there so that you know that your new petcock going on is going to be a good fit for it. So after you've cleaned everything up, fit the petcock up in here, it fits. Go ahead and tighten your line back on from your petcock to your carb, and then go ahead and tighten this bolt down. I don't have a spec on your torque for it, but just until it starts to tighten, this will start to move with it, so you kind of have to hold it in place while you tighten like that. So I'll go ahead and include the link again on this petcock that I used in my description. So anyways, that is how you replace the petcock on a 1997 Honda XR650L dirt bike. It should be a very similar procedure for many other Honda gas tanks. So hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.